Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel if you're new here. I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a little bit, and I just want to talk about trends that I'm really liking right now, things I've been seeing on Pinterest or Instagram, or not really in real life because where I live nobody dresses fun, including me. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm going to title this video trends I'm really liking, but some of them I wouldn't even call them trends really. They're just things I'm really liking right now, but for YouTube algorithm and to get people to click on this video, I'm going to call it trends. And the first thing I really like, which is totally inspired by my friend Amanda, are ponchos. Now, I'm not really big into like the knitted old style ponchos we used to wear like in middle school and stuff like that you get from like Limited Too. I've gone thrifting a few times with my friend Amanda and we keep seeing these kinds of ponchos. They're more like jackets. So I know like capes are kind of like on the up and coming in the high fashion world, and when I heard like the cape and wearing capes, I never thought I'd like it or be into it or even like see outfits I like with it. But the cape more as like a poncho, I really like that. I think it's so feminine. It's playing into the like 60s mod that is really up and coming right now. My friend Amanda literally wears it so well. She looks so cute in it. I don't have any ponchos. I think my style is a bit more masculine than that, so I would have to figure out a way to style it a little bit more masculine than this like super dainty like 60s mod poncho way. But I haven't seen any styling that looks like something I'd wear, but I do see styling that I really like, and that's how I feel about ponchos. But maybe if I like come across one that I really love at the thrift store for a decent price, I'll pick it up. Yeah, but they're very cute. The next trend is something I said I wasn't gonna buy and wasn't gonna wear, and that's the beret. I don't like all berets. I think that just like a black plain beret to me is like boring, and at that point I would just rather wear like a beanie or one of the little fur hats, in my opinion. Like that's what I'd rather wear. But then I started seeing the little Vivienne Westwood berets. I love plaid, first of all. If something comes in a neutral or plaid, I'm gonna get it in plaid. Plaid is like a neutral to me. I think it goes with everything. And not only plaid, but like the mohair kind of fuzzy. You know, it looks more like a winter hat. Let me try it on for you guys because I know you're just dying to see it on me. Now the other thing about these berets, like the Vivienne Westwood ones, is they almost fit more like a little mushroom top. I went out to dinner in this hat and the bartender made fun of this hat, and not like in a flirting like annoying way. Like he was literally just making fun of this hat on me. It was awful. I wanted him to shut up so badly, but I still love the hat and I'm still gonna wear it because honestly that bartender not liking it made me like it more because I didn't like him. I got this Vivienne Westwood plaid beret from Bai. So if you guys don't know what Bai is, it's basically a website that lets you shop Japan's Mercari, and Mercari is like Poshmark or Depop. So people were asking like about authentication and stuff. It's literally like you gotta just go with your gut. It's the same as buying on eBay, Poshmark, or Depop, where it's not getting authenticated for you, but normally you can tell if something's real or not. Also with Bai, like shopping on Japan's website, Japan has a ton of Vivienne Westwood. They love Vivienne Westwood. When you're searching for something that Japan has so much of, it's gonna be less expensive and there's gonna be way more of it than Vivienne Westwood buying it in the US. I don't know about other brands, so I can't say that you're gonna have better luck searching for like Gucci on Bai than on a US like Depop or Poshmark. I literally have no idea. But for Vivienne Westwood, I do know that you get a lot of better stuff on Bai and it's cheaper. So you purchase from the buyers selling like these Mercari items. So it's just people in Japan, and they ship it to the Bai warehouse, and then the Bai warehouse will like put all the packages together, and you only have to pay one international shipping opposed to like each individual item and paying for the shipping. So I got this in a wallet and I only had to pay $20 for the shipping. Obviously the more you get, the more expensive it's going to be just because the package is bigger, and the smaller the items, the less expensive. But you don't want to just like buy one item and then have it shipped to the warehouse and then do it, because it's kind of a waste that way. You have to buy a few things, and the Bai website will hold your packages at the warehouse for 30 days, so you can accumulate a few things and then ship them over. I could do a whole video on Bai, but there's so many already on YouTube. Just go check them out, and also it's really self-explanatory. If you just go on the website and try and figure it out yourself, I really think you'll have an easier time than like watching a video and listening to somebody talk about it, because that's what I did. I just played around with the website and you'll figure it out. I trust you guys. You can do it. I just knew I would get a lot of questions about Bai if I said that, just about this hat, but this hat was $40, got it off Bai. Vivienne Westwood, she's literally in perfect condition, and I'm just really liking these plaid like mohair berets. Obviously, specifically the Vivienne Westwood ones just because I love Vivienne Westwood, but all of them are cute. Next trend I really like, and this was actually something I saw on TikTok. I don't remember her username though, so if you guys know who I'm talking about, comment it down below so we can give her credit. But I watched a TikTok of this girl just saying she loves knee-high boots with everything, and when she said that I was like, me too, and I never thought about it. But these knee-high boots with like jean Bermuda shorts, like baggier jean Bermuda shorts, she was saying she liked them even with like running shorts, which I'm not sure about that yet, but she made a good point that just like knee-high boots literally go with anything. And I can't wait for summertime wearing these knee-high boots with just literally everything, with Bermuda jean shorts or skirts, dresses, anything. I feel like the weirdest I get is Bermuda jean shorts, and that's not even weird, but they're so cute like that. Those boots, Bermuda jean shorts, and just like a graphic tee or something, like that's cute. It's so chill, and the boots make it just so fun and cute. Cute, cute, cute. Next thing is also something I thrifted. I'm still really into kitten heels. Most people are. But the thing I like right now, especially because I can't really wear my kitten heel, like open-toe kitten heels in the wintertime, unfortunately. These kind of kitten heels. So this is like the ballet flat with the little bit of a heel, which I really like the style of those as a whole. These ones are my absolute favorite when they have the ankle strap. So I think the like Mary Janes are really coming in style, especially the ankle strap. I think they're going to be so big, and we're just going to start seeing so many shoes with this ankle strap, and it's very important that it's an ankle strap and not like a middle of the shoe strap, because that doesn't make your foot look good. Like this makes your foot look so long, and the ankle like is really slimming. These are actually from the brand Chinese Laundry, and I just thrifted them 2 days ago, and I got them for $6, and they're like these little suede ballet flats with the little heel and the ankle strap. I cannot wait to wear these. These are that like ballet core that I wasn't really sure about, just because I'm an ex-ballerina, so sometimes it triggers me. But these ones are super cute. I think like for people to style these with leg warmers, that would be adorable. I don't know if I would do that. Little tube socks though, and a skirt for like going out. Oh my god, that'd be so cute. Like these together, not tweed. Next thing I'm just really into, and I guess it's a trend, are tights. I'm really loving pattern tights. This New Year's Eve I wore a pair of plaid tights, and they were so cute. They really spiced up my outfit and took like a black skirt and white top and made it super fun and funky. Again, I really think it's that like 60s, kind of 70s look when you go like with a plaid like that, and again, I just love plaid. Adding black sheer tights to anything now makes things look so much more sophisticated and older and classy, but still like sexy if that's what you want to like go for. I used to always think that adding black tights to like a dress just made it look too old lady, and this was like a while ago, like 5 years ago. And also it was like I was trying to be really modest, like I didn't want to show my legs, and now I look at black tights and I'm like, those are so hot, like those look so good. So I really like black sheer tights with just about anything. And then the plaid tights I really like. I have black polka dot tights from Express. They're all really cute, and I plan on wearing them a lot more. Next trend I really like, and this one's definitely a trend, is earmuffs. Literally so cute. The bigger the better, the fluffier the better. I don't have a pair yet. If I find them at the thrift store, I'll pick them up, but they're not something that I want to spend 20 bucks on and like order online or something. If I see it in person, I'll pick them up. They're really cute. They're practical. I know the UGG ones have like a headphone built into them, which is pretty cool, but like literally even the big headphones are like trendy right now, which is so weird. But of course it's not the Beats. The Beats ones aren't trendy. They have to be more retro, because I have the Beats ones that like everybody got with their laptop when they were going into college. I still wear my Beats when I'm editing, so they'll come back, I'm sure of it. And the last trend that I'm really liking right now are puff sleeves. I'm such a sucker for a puff sleeve. I've had this one top in my wardrobe for, I think we're going on 5 years. It's literally from Forever 21. I don't know why it's like the best quality piece from Forever 21 I've seen in my entire life. And it's got these puff sleeves, and I literally wear it all the time. I love mixing, you know, the really feminine puff sleeves with a more like grunge or like punk pair of pants, whether that's like leather pants or a pair of my like printed leather pants. And again, my style is a little bit more androgynous, I think. Not masculine, I don't know. I just like more like baggy, comfortable clothes, but wearing something with the like little puff sleeves and that's so dainty and feminine, pairing it even with like my camo cargo pants, like I think is so cute. And I love the puff sleeves, and I really want more pieces with puff sleeves, but I haven't seen any at the thrift. But that is it for this video. Thanks for listening to me ramble about trends I like because I wanted to. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Leave in the comments down below any video ideas you have for me. I feel like I have so much free time since I'm not doing Vlogmas right now, so I'm chilling. It's fun. I'll see you in a few days though. I love you so much. Bye.